How to return items on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode I'm going to show you how you can return Temu items. So in order to return Temu items, all you have to do is just make sure that you've already purchased a product, and then you need to log into your Temu account. Once you're logged into your Temu account, that's going to take you to the interface something like this, and over here you need to go ahead and tap on the U icon, and from here you need to go to your order. After you click on your order, that's going to show you this kind of interface. So over here you'll be able to see the product that you've recently purchased or that you've ordered. So in order to return the product, that highly depends on the following users. Now if you don't see an option as return, which means that you'll not be able to return the products, and likewise if you find the option as return, just click on it and give a valid reason for returning the product. Sometimes you might also be charged with the fine, and follow the prompt, and that's basically how you can return items on Temu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.